Well, greetings, Kodi Paliji, wherever you are. I hope you are fine and hope you're doing well. Now, just coming in is a social media document. There's a document circulating across the internet which confirms what Busmik has been saying about the saga in Mega FM. The address of the letter is Aswa West Resource Police Headquarters, PO Box 64, Gulu, and the date is the 9th of April, that is 2024. That means yesterday. So it is addressed to Mr. Musa Kasera, the Human Resource Officer, Mega FM Radio, which is located in Gulu City. The body of this letter reads, on the 25th of March 2024, the Director CID received a complaint. The management of Uganda Broadcasting Corporation, that's UBC, reported alleged cases of abuse of office, forgery, falsification of documents, embezzlement of public resources against Mr. or Mrs. Attack Iron over the other name is fainted a little bit. Station manager of Mega FM Gulu, that is the name is a little bit complicated, but station manager of Mega FM in Gulu. The name has been written, but it is a little bit fainted during the photocopying, I think, according to this social internet circulating document which has gone viral around the internet. The letter goes ahead to say, under section 27B of the Police Act, Cap 303 of 1991, laws of the amended, police is mandated to summon any person or anybody matter under investigations and to require from the person all the information, documents or exhibits in his or her possession. In pursuit to the above provisions and the legislation, and in line with this, before this office, you are summoned to come to the office of the police officer, Aswa West. The persons mentioned below have been identified and are hereby required or summoned to report to the office of the regional CID office of West Gulu for interview and statement recording, either as suspects. The writing is a little bit fainted, photocopying is a little bit fainted, as per the names and dates listed against their names. On Thursday, the 11th day of April 2024 at 10 a.m., that is tomorrow, the first person on the list who will be summoned is David Okidi, who is the station manager of Mega FM. Number 2 is Kasera Musa, the Human Resource Officer. Number 3 is Nikki Afaya, that is the studio producer. Then we get to number 4, is known as Amiro Grace, who is the producer. Number 5 is Olau Jobenel, in charge engineering. Then number 6 is Muboka Justin, is a news reporter. Then also we get to number 7 is Okelo Luanga Slate, sales representative. The position is sales representative. Then on Friday, the 12th day of April 2024 at 10 a.m. These are the people who have been summoned by the police. Number 1 is Steven Opio, the senior producer. Number 2 is Steven Balmoy, the presenter. Number 3 is Onono James, news reporter. Number 4 is Okwara Moses, he is errand desk officer, front desk officer. I mean, there's a, as I told you, there's a fainting in the writing. Number 5 is Uchiera Joel, is a driver. Number 6 is Okanya Sams, is a sales representative. Then on Monday, the 15th of April 2024 at 10 a.m., Kadum Mafio is a IT assistant. Number 2 is Okot Arthur, news reporter. Number 3 is the news reader known as Betty Ato. Number 4 is Latigu Michael, is a sales representative. Number 5 is Okot Juma. I think this is Juma Jami. He's a presenter. 5th is he has also been summoned by is among the people who have been summoned by the police. Number 6 is Anena Jacqueline, is a front desk officer. Number 7 is Okelo Willie, is a producer. Now on Tuesday, that is the 16th day of April 2024, still the same time at 10 a.m. Number 1 is Moses Odokonyero, is a news editor. Number 2 is Charles Akena, is a reporter. Number 3 is Sarah Adon, is a news reader. Wow. So this is not easy, guys. This is not easy. It's not easy. You know. So Sarah Adon is a newsreader. Then number 6 is Innocent Aloyo, that is a well-known person, is also a newsreader. Number 7 is Kathy Okelo, is a presenter. Then they have put there something called NB, which is known as Nota Bene, or in a simple term, not. Come along with your appointment letter and any other relevant documents relating to your employment at Mega FM Radio Gulu. So guys, this is what is happening. This is what is happening. The person who wrote this letter is Jimeo Tofa Nakoko, the regional CID officer Aswa West, according to this viral document. Carbon copy has been put to Director CID, then also carbon copy to RPC Aswa West Regional Aswa RPC Aswa West Region. So guys, that is what's happening. What Mega FM is going through is an investigation into embezzlement, forgery and the rest. I'm going to translate now to the mother tongue, that is the Luo Acholi language. Doctor, nying joma kwanoni, beri joma kita metoki, bot police me winyo lo kong who me duklim forging document nyoni forgery kita chuli wayo ken weki kwetki ikom bal madore lokum bango chene palwak. Donc watika following gini closely kachi gimog ken bikati chi waneno ni wa updating on about this viral document ma tie moket yamoni afo ma tek kon kuman wanen